In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate from commerce to payouts in QuickBooks. Whether you're a small business owner or handling finances for a larger company, this process can be quite handy. By the end of this guide, you'll be familiar with the steps you need to take, ensuring your transactions and payouts are efficiently managed. Let's dive in. First things first, we'll begin by accessing QuickBooks. Start by heading over to the QuickBooks website or directly to your QuickBooks online dashboard. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for a seamless experience. Once you're on your dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to QuickBooks. You'll see various tabs and options depending on the services you've selected. Now, let's locate the Commerce section. It's usually featured prominently on the dashboard due to its importance in managing your business transactions. Clicking on Commerce provides you an overview of your sales, inventory, and linked channels. It's here where you can manage where and how your products are sold. This is an integral area for anyone dealing with e-commerce as it allows you to consolidate and review all your commercial activity in one centralized space. With Commerce opened, let's move on to the next part of our process, accessing payouts. In the Commerce section, you should find the Payouts option conveniently placed within the menu. Clicking on Payouts takes you to a page where you can view detailed reports on your transactions, ensuring that you're always on top of cash flow. This feature allows you to see what money is flowing in and out of your account, providing transparency and an easy way to keep track of your financial movements. An important tip to remember while performing these tasks is to periodically check your connectivity. Sudden disconnections can lead to lost information or unsaved changes, which might confuse your financial records. Also, always make sure your browser is up to date to prevent any compatibility issues with QuickBooks. Throughout this process, keep in mind that regular reviews of your commerce and payout sections can greatly assist in catching errors early and keeping the financial health of your business strong. With these simple steps, exploring the financial reports and managing transactions becomes seamless. And there you have it, easy navigation from commerce to payouts in QuickBooks. This procedure will allow you to manage your finances more effectively, keeping everything organized and under control. Practice this process a few times, and it will soon become a quick routine in your financial management tasks. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide both informative and practical. Remember to check back for more tutorials, and happy managing!